Welcome back to our alphabet series. I'm Melody. Welcome to my channel, Making Melody Crafts. Today, we're on the letter J, and we're gonna make some jewelry. So hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. We are down at the craft table, ready to make some jewelry. Today, we're going to make a pair of earrings. Here's the pieces that we'll be using. I'm gonna zoom you in now so that you can see a little bit better. And since it's going to be Valentine's Day next month, I thought let's go ahead and use some hearts in the earring. I've got some jump rings here and I just pulled them apart. So when you open a jump ring, you want to pull one side towards you and push the other side away. So I'm going to twist it like that. But don't pull it open like a letter U because that just weakens the metal there of the jump ring. We're going to put some of those on there and then get the other pieces on. I have one of those like jewelry boards that's flocked and I've got it right next to me, so I might grab that if I need it. It's handy because it prevents everything from rolling away. So I've got two of those right on that little jump ring. Now we can take our next piece, this little heart, and I'm just going to hold on to that there, then loop this piece on there. You may need to fiddle with it a minute to get it on. There we go. That's on, and then I'm going to put on two more of those little teeny tiny rosettes. Let's see. There we go. There's one. Change my position here with my pliers. So now the little heart is on there and then those four little teeny tiny rosettes. They're really cute. And now I'm just going to close that. But if you didn't have regular pliers, you could just easily do that. Take a little bit of tape. I just used some washi tape, but duct tape would work well too. And then the earring part that we're going to be using is a French hook. So I'm going to go ahead and hook that now onto the same jump ring. This may take me a minute. There we go, not too bad. All right, and then I'm going to close that all the way up the same way I opened it. So cute little pair of earrings for Valentine's Day. Now let's do the other one. So if you're very familiar with jewelry making, this will probably bore you. And if you're not, it's really fun. It's definitely intricate detail work. So I'm going to pull that apart, this hand towards me and the other hand away. Now we're going to get on those little teeny rosettes. I have no idea that's what they're called, but that's what I'm calling them. So that heart is on there now with two of the rosettes. I'm going to get the other two on. And since you've already seen that before, I'll just go ahead and do this and be right back. All right, and there's the other earring with a little heart on there. It's just really adorable. Just something fun for Valentine's Day coming up next month. And I hope you had some fun. If you did or learned something, please subscribe. I'd appreciate it so much. And I'll catch you later.